7 Best Exercises to Blast Away Lower Body Cellulite. Hey everyone! Welcome to the Healthy Eats Good Life channel. Studies suggest that about 80 to 90% of adult women have cellulite on their bodies. It's not limited to those that are overweight. Even slim-bodied women have cellulite. It's almost impossible to get rid of cellulite completely. However, a number of things you can do can reduce its appearance significantly. Studies suggest that strength training, when combined with a healthy diet, can tone muscles and reduce body fat, and this helps to improve the appearance of cellulite. I've put together a few exercises that will help reduce cellulite on the thighs and bottom. The good news is, these exercises, when routinely done at least twice or 3 times a week, will also tone, tighten, and improve the shape of your lower body. So let's get started. Number 1. Squats. Begin in an upright position with your heels placed directly under your shoulders and toes pointed out at 30 degrees. Keep your feet flat on the floor and spine neutral. Bend your hips and knees, lowering yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Engage your core and move your hips straight up and back into your starting position. Gradually add weights to make this move more challenging and impactful. Number 2. Skater jumps. Begin in a half squat position with your hips and knees slightly bent and your chest up. Lift your right foot off the floor and position it behind your left calf. Position your right arm forward and left arm back. Deepen the bend in your left knee and jump up and to the right, landing on your right foot with your left foot now positioned off the floor and behind your right calf, and your left arm positioned forward with your right arm back. Reverse the movement to bring you back to your starting position. Number 3. Curtsy lunges. The curtsy lunge works on the gluteus medius muscle, which is very important for engaging your hamstrings and quads, but also for hip stabilization. The key to a well-shaped backside is to target exercising all sides of the glute muscle. Stand with your feet about 1 meter apart and arms forward. Put your weight on your right leg and bend your leg, and place it behind your right leg in a curtsy position. Pause for 3 seconds and lift your left leg and come back to the starting position. Do the same movement with your right leg and continue to alternate between your right and left leg. Complete 5 sets of 5 reps, resting 30 seconds in between sets. Number 4. Lateral lunges. This lunge targets the inner and outer thighs. To make this move more challenging, feel free to add medium or light weights to your lunges. First, stand with your feet 1 meter apart and your arms by your sides. Bend your left knee and take a big step with your right leg to the side. Raise your arms straight in front of you to give you balance and hold for a few seconds. Make sure that your butt is pushed back and down and your chest is up. This move requires balance to be able to hold it steady for a few seconds. Push up from your right foot and return to the starting position. Do 10 repetitions on one side, then switch to the other leg. Number 5. Split jumps. This works the glutes and hamstrings. To make this move challenging, hold light or medium dumbbells in each hand. Begin in an upright position with your feet hip-width apart and your core engaged. Jump up and swing your right leg forward, your left leg back, and your arms forward. As you land, lower into a forward lunge until both knees are bent at 90-degree angles, keeping your right knee directly above your ankle and your left knee hovering above the floor. Jump back up, swinging your left leg forward, your right leg back, and your arms back. As you land, lower into a forward lunge until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle, keeping your left knee directly above your ankle and your right knee hovering above the floor. Number 6. Glute bridge. The beauty about the glute bridge is that it doesn't put any pressure on your lower back. Try using weights placed strategically on the upper hips to make this exercise more challenging, or lifting one leg up in the air for a one-legged glute bridge. Begin by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold a weight with both hands and rest it on your hips. Engage your core and squeeze your glutes. Push your hips up off the ground until your shoulders, knees, and hips form a straight line. Hold this bridge position for 2 seconds and slowly lower back down to starting position. Number 7. Squat jump. This is a high-impact exercise and should be done with care for those with joint problems. Begin in an upright position with your heels placed directly under your shoulders and toes pointed out at 30 degrees. Keep your feet flat on the floor, your spine neutral, and engage your core. Bend your hips and knees, lowering yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Swing your arms back in preparation for a jump. Jump straight up, swinging your arms above your head. Softly land back into a squat and repeat the jump. Make sure you do these exercises at least twice a week to see results. It's important to warm up properly, do some light cardio, and stretching exercises before you begin the workout. If the exercises become easier, challenge yourself by adding more repetitions or adding weights to the exercise. As with any exercise routine, for best results, ensure that you're eating a healthy diet. Check my other videos on intermittent fasting and keto for weight loss. Please comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos about health and wellness, simple healthy recipes for weight loss, mental health, and much more. See you in the next video. Take care.